Alright, hello. This is an unboxing of my birthday present from all of my friends from Ignite. And, like, getting it on video is a little tough. I tried a selfie stick, but now we're on a tripod. So, here we are. Here we are. I think y'all can see that this is the thing. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna unpack it. I'm gonna put that selfie stick away, because I would really like to use this on Wednesday. So this is a charcoal cage staff. Ah. Oh wow, that's a hell of a cage. Ooh, that's a hell of a cage. Oh man. Right. Look at that. Oh, that is that is an awesome cage. Wow. Wow. That is an awesome cage. Okay. I've never made an unboxing video before, but I suppose I'm doing it now. I hope that it's all in frame. That's just cardboard. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. I love you guys. Thank you, friends. I love you. Okay. Well, let's get the other cage out. Let's get the other cage out. Might need a knife. I might need a knife. Okay. Oh, that looks like hardware. Alright. Yeah, that's hardware maybe. And this is, oh, that's the other cage. That's the cage. Yeah. Alright. Ooh. Oh, shit. That's a hell of a cage. That is a hell of a cage. Cage. It's a cage. It's a fucking cool ass cage. Hell yeah. Looks like, what the fuck are you doing? Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure I know how to make an unboxing video. But I mean, I guess I'm doing it, right? Right. This is really cool. Oh man. Am I still in frame? Yeah, I am. There's a lot of bubbles here. So I really sure what is up with all the bubbles. I'm just gonna rip it all apart. Do the innovation. Do the innovation. Do the innovation. Okay. This is silly. I'm glad you all are with me on this. Perhaps I should narrate a little more. Like, there's a lot of bubbles here. There's a lot of bubbles. And there's a lot of tape. I'm not really sure what to do with all the bubbles in the tape except just to rip it all apart. You know. Oh, that was my selfie stick. Yep, my selfie stick went down. It's not anything to do with this prop. Okay. Okay. Book doesn't know what the fuck is going on. I really don't know what the fuck is going on either, actually. Yeah. Oh, there. Yeah, that's a good rip. That's a good rip. Okay. Yeah. Oh, well, you're getting a lot of that guitar in there. Huh. Yeah, but see, cage. And cage. Yeah. There's two cages there. Oh, this is a shaft. There's a shaft in there. Oh, yeah. Right, okay. This is the shaft. And the cages go on the shaft. Look at the shaft. Here's the shaft. This might be a longer video than anyone really wants to even know about, but I mean, this is pretty cool. This is really awesome, actually. I think there's some hardware in here. I think there's some hardware in here. Yeah. There's definitely some hardware in there. Oh, there's a business card. And, oh, yeah, there's some hardware. Right, hardware. Okay. Oh, there's 2 bags. 2 bags of hardware. I think this might actually be a pretty good angle there. Right, and there's a shaft. There's a shaft. And like, there's a cage. And there's another cage. There's 2 cages that go on the end of each other side of the shaft. Okay. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. I love you guys. All right. I think this concludes my unboxing video of the charcoal staff. I love you. Thank you.